Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 14 for hotel management system in Django with Next.js. In this video, we are going to create models for events, payment, gallery images and room images, right? In our previous video, we have created the models and migration for rooms and bookings, right? And we registered in the admin. So here you can see that now we have three models, one for rooms and the room types bookings, right? Now we are going to create for the events, payments, in which we will save all the data like payment transaction ID, a payment channel, and then we will create the gallery images and room images model, right? So let's start to do that. So first of all, we will start for the book event. So here we will start for the book event. So event type and event detail, total guest, and what is the event date and total cost, right? So let's do that. So I will go to the, okay, here I'm going to create a new app for the events, right? So where we will manage all the events in the separate app. So I will say manage.py start app event, right? And then I will run the server. So if I go here and if I go in the, so here you can see that, right? And the models. So what I will do, I will copy these two things, right, and paste here. And class will be event, or we can say hotel event, because this event can be any event from the Django. So I will say HMS event, right? And this will be our class, right? And then we need to extend model, and in this we will create, let's go to the booking one. Actually, we also need to create the event type. So what I will do, I will copy this one, paste here. Before that, so I will say event type, title, detail, title and detail will be the text field, because we are not going to save so much data like we are doing in the room, right? So this one is event type. Now let's copy this booking model, all of, right? And then here we will say event type, and event type will be this one, okay? Who user, who is booking the event, booking date, right? Total guest, this is correct, booking date, total guest, event detail will be, yeah. So let's copy this one, event type, event detail, right? And then user is correct. Let's copy this after the user, okay? So booking date, total guest is correct. This is not checking date, so what we need to do, event date, right? And booking amount, right? And booking detail, okay. So we will use this for our invoice, so let's keep it as it, right? We will see that how we will use this. We will save all the data, right? So we can show in the invoice line item, right? So event type, so what I will do here, event type is this one, right? And then was the user, okay? Let's do one more thing, let's define the event date also, right? So event date, okay? So this is our event model, okay? So now let's run the migration, py manage.py make migrations. Oh, we need to we need to add this app in our settings. So rooms event, right? Okay, now it will recognize, right? Now py manage.py migrate. All right, so migration done. Now let's register this models in the admin so we can see that. All right, so now let's go to admin of the event, right? Admin here, and let's open this one admin. Let's copy this one, paste here, right? And we just need the one is event type, another one is HMS event, right? Now let's run the server, and if I go here, refresh, so here you can see that, right? So event type, let's say birthday party, detail is this, save event, we'll change this name. So event type is birthday party, user is admin, detail is this is simple birthday event, right? Total guest is 50, event date is, let's say, today, event date is, let's say, yeah, let's say today, and the booking amount is, let's say, booking amount, let's say 5,000, right? Save. So this is our birthday party, this date, and this is the user, correct? Okay, so now our we created the model for events. Now let's go to create the model for payments, right? Okay, so let's create the model for payments. So now payments, we have payments can be two types. One is for events, one is for room booking. So I will create separate two models for the payment, so we can, it will be nice to in the context of performance, it will be good, because when we want to show all the payments, then it will be good to show all the payments according to the separation, like events, bookings. All right, so let's do that. So what I will do here, in the event, I'll create a payments class, payment model, right? So we'll say, first of all, what is the transaction ID? Transaction ID can be text field. I will save the text field as, right? And then total amount, right? So it can be float dot decimal field, all right? And then we can save a data as a response data, right? So this can be JSON data, or let's say text field. Later, according to the payment gateway response, we will change this, right? So payment transaction ID, total payment, and then we should, the main important thing is booking, right? So booking. One more thing, we also need a booking for the events, right? So let's do booking for event. We have, yeah, we have. So it can be event equal to, right? Event equal to this one. This is kind of event booking, right? So I think we should say event booking, correct? All right, so let's say event booking. We'll say booking ID. Yeah, this is fine. Booking, and user is connected with this, and the booking ID. So I think this is fine. Attribute HMS event. Okay, let's cancel this. Let's see that models have no. Okay, so in the admin it is saying something. Okay, so we'll say event booking, correct? All right, so event booking payment. So payment is booking transaction ID, total amount, and response data. One more thing, I will say payment date, right? Where is this one? So we'll say payment date. Payment date. This is correct. And the same model will create in the rooms model. So this one is, so we'll say booking, simple booking, transaction ID. Okay, this is correct. Now let's see. So make migration, was the model? Yes. Okay, migrate one server, and we also need to do event booking is here. We also need to do payment, and same in here, right? So let's go to admin side. Okay, this is HMS event. Okay, so these are the event bookings, event types, payments, right? This is rooms. So booking, payments, room type, rooms, right? Okay, so now we are done with the, where is that? We are done with the events, payments. Now let's go to gallery images. All right, so gallery images actually, okay, let's create that gallery images. All right, so for the gallery images, what we will do, I will go to the model in the room app, and let's say class gallery model start model, and we'll say images. So we'll say image, right? So model start image field, and we need to say upload slash g images, right? What else we can define? We can define all text. So model start. Okay, so no need to define all text. If we need, then we will define. Okay, so these are the gallery. And one more thing, if we are defining the image field, we need to install the here it is saying we need to install the pillow app, right? So pip install pillow, right? Now run server. Upload relative was not an okay, sorry, this one is like this. Okay, so now let's create room images. Sorry, room images, room image. So model start model. First of all, we'll define the room, actually room type, right? So foreign key, this one, and then image, right? So it will be the room type images, correct? Now let's run the migration. Make migration, migrate, run server, and now let's add this two model in the admin. So the first one is gallery, and oh sorry, we are adding wrong place, should be here. So the first one is gallery, the second one is room image, sorry, correct? Now let's run the server again. Here we have, so let's see this. So rooms, and we have a room images, right? So you can see that here we can select the room type, single bedroom, and add the images, right? And single rooms, we can do one more thing. Rooms, here we have, so this can be many to many field, right? Many to many field, here we have. All right, we need to run the migration again. So 1 minute, make migration, sorry, migrate, run server. And when we go to room images, when we add this, so we can add this is wrong relation we defined, sorry, make migration. Oh, make migration, provide a on off default false, let's say default equal to false, default equal to null, or we can say null equal to true, right? So let's say make migration, migrate, run server. Okay, so now we can define images, but we will see that how we can define multiple images, correct? I will modify this and we will define we can upload multiple images at the same time. Okay, so what we have done now, we created a model for events, payments, gallery images, and room images, right? In the next video we will try to create other models if we need, or we will start working on the APIs. So from here we will send the request and fetch the data, correct? So thank you so much for watching the video, and if you are new to this channel then please subscribe, and please share this video, like this video, like this channel, share this channel, right? And if you are enjoying this series then please write in the comment section, yes, I'm enjoying this series, right? And thank you so much. And if you need the source code of this project then please go to github.com/codeartisanlab, and this one is the first project. Here I have given the instruction. This is a very big support for me if you can do, right? Else you can learn from the videos. If you need the source code then this is a small amount, then you can donate me or you can support me, right? So thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.